Hey Vishnu buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Oh crap. Ain't that just a fantastic start to a fantastic day. Technically today is a holiday for us. It's Easter Monday, the Amish take off. So I still have to haul milk, but that's only one thing to do today. You ready, buddy? You're just the best darn co-pilot ever, ain't buddy? Let's go to work. Power shot. Our van definitely isn't made to tow stuff, but it works. That big V8 gas motor got plenty of power, but we got 3,000 pounds of goat milk in the trail this morning, so not really a full load. About 1,500 pounds shy of a full load, so the van can handle that no problem, I'm sure. Time for breakfast. Sarah made sausage gravy, and we have sourdough buns from Easter. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. How you doing, honey? How your eggs doing? Let me see. Did you hatch any yet? No. I'll keep them warm. Big gun. Winner. We got a hole. We got bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Cover the whole plug in rubber cement and shove it in the hole. We'll start with one. It's definitely gonna take more than one. My oldest memory of patching tires, plugging tires, with my cousins and my one uncle, two uncles maybe, were standing around fixing four-wheeler tires or something. I don't remember where we were. I was littler. And I don't know who said it, but we always light them on fire. That was the, light that sucker on fire, make it burn. So we need a little fire. Fire! Since I have the time, I think I'm gonna let it sit here without any pressure on it. Hopefully it'll vulcanize better and stick. So give it a little bit of time. A little resting time won't hurt it. Well, crap, we got a bleeder. We got winter again here in central Pennsylvania. Hopefully this is the onion snow. Should be the last snow, but you never know. All right, tires fixed. I'm gonna put my tools away from this project, put my tools away from the last project, and clean this shop up for once. And that'll be it. That'll be the end of the day. So see you next time. See you, love you, bye.